Hello from Slovenia again. This Saturday, big This Little Piggy collaboration starts. It will be 1:30 my time, so this will be 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time will be my premiere. It will all start with Shelly, the founder of This Little Piggy Pigments and Fluid Art CO. So new piggies will be released on that day. So I just want to invite you to that. It will be 8 new colors, and I will use 2 of them today too, just to play a little bit. And I will use this Brulee and Zeus. Those 2 colors are just amazing. This is a deep gold, almost a coppery-like gold, and this one is interference copper, kind of. And this is the one, the lagoon, that it's from previous series. So you know, here in Slovenia I have a hard time to get the ingredients for blooms, so I decided to mix those piggies my way, with my pouring medium, with Vallejo polyurethane satin varnish and my pouring medium. And I did mix some black and white cell activator too, and this phthalo Turk Emerald from Vallejo for my background, and I will just play a little bit. I will probably not talk a lot because, you know, I will be blowing and maybe some embellishing, I don't know. I just want to cover my canvas, 10 by 10 inch canvas first, and my base is quite thick too. And let's see what will happen. I will basically just spread this around, but I want to tilt it, so spin it, have to say, or maybe tilt it, I don't know. And I believe that I want quite a nice amount of my base, like for the blooms. I don't know how this will work, if it will work at all. I'm not going for, you know, a ton of colors. I just want some kind of browns and turquoise, and with black and white cell activator I hope that I will get some nice results. I don't know, we will see. I really love this phthalo emerald by Vallejo. It's so beautiful. So I can torch this because it's not a house paint, it's just an acrylic paint mixed with pouring medium. And I believe that I will add a little more paint here where I want to do kind of maybe 3 blooms, I don't know. Let's see what will happen. So I will start with some Brulee. And let's add some lagoon. And some Zeus. Just basically drizzling some paint. I don't know. You know that I'm not good with blooms, if you know me. And some white cell activator and some black one. It's just titanium white and oxide black mixed with Aussie Floetrol. So I will do black and white here, not white and black. Let's see what will happen. Maybe I will even regret this. I will leave it. It's not the best composition, but I love it. So I will try, sorry, to do it with the flash on my phone. I normally film with my camera, but for this I'm pretty sure that this will be the best way to show you those gorgeous This Little Piggy pigments. And I hope that I love this flower, that you will come on Saturday to our premieres to see more of the beauty of those piggies. I like these colors together, but I did too much of the blooms, I think, so I still have enough colors to play with, and I definitely will. Hope that we see you on Saturday. Bye.